Easy lock for your 4-cylinder 70 series. The easy lock in this system is a little bit different to what we have in the 200 series, but it works the same way. You have one button in this car, which is your power and haul button. When you are towing, you can push this button and it will keep the converter locked in when the factory strategy is locking the converter. It will only unlock under 40 kilometers an hour by having this button in. The car tows extremely well when this is in, and you don't have to worry about your transmission temperatures. It's that simple. When you disengage that button, the car will drive like normal, still locking the converter in and unlocking it when it's scheduled to do so. However, the button is purely there just to lock it in for when you are towing those heavy loads.